सुनावणीला सुरुवात झाली ही थेट दृश्य आपण बघू शकतोय.
Somebody taken away their rights. So therefore we argued exclusion. Actually they included, like Venugopal sir submitted, there are compartments, the evolution of the constitution with the majority judgments, with the dissenting judgments, my lords, compartments SC is a compartment, ST another compartment, OBC another compartment. Now, my lords, because of 51 judgments onwards, Balaji onwards, my lords, with utmost respect, even Ambedkar said in the debates, assembly debates, my lords, the poverty should be the foundation of the reservation. My lords are well aware, my point, kindly note this point, my lord. The poverty should be the foundation of the reservation. Balaji onwards. Ashok Kumar Thakur, Indira Sahni, are repeatedly and consistently said that you should consider the poverty as the basis of the reservation. My lords are well aware, argued, I don't want to develop that again and again. Now what's happening, my lords? Instead of a caste-less society, since decades, we are trying for a caste-based society by promoting, by discussing, by debating, with utmost respect. From 51 onwards, how many judgments are there for reservations, SC, OBC, how much percentage, some states are 100%, Tamil Nadu recently has struck down, etc. Here, my lords, in my notes, there is a particular page I am going to give you, my lords. In India, first time, a community, Vaishya Shema Sabha, submitted an application to the Chief Minister of Kerala that we need that. Actually, they were getting this percentage of reservation this way or that way, but they said that we need 10% of reservation. Honorable Chief Minister said, this is first time I am seeing such a representation that people are bargaining for, we don't want the reservation. This is what happened in Kerala. So therefore, my lord, according to me, my lord, yes, according to me, my lord, the very foundation of the bill is the ground realities. The foundation of the act, objects and reasons. Objects and reasons, my lords, already gone through in the reply affidavit filed by the Government of India. Therefore, I don't want to see. What is the objects and reasons, my lord, with great respect? If I say, I am not in court number 1. If I was somebody, good scholar, researcher will say, Biju was not there. So, if we run after the judgments and judgments, we will get this judgment, we will get that judgment. But here, my lord, I recollect, if my lord Chief Justice may recollect, my lord Justice B.P. Singh and my lord Justice Hegde's observation, you tell us the facts. Don't teach us the law, we will apply the law into the facts, and not vice versa. And second thing, my lord, I also recollect my lord Justice Sabarwal's speech, in his retirement speech, he said,
Mr. Biju.
yes, my lord, because that's very important. Only one point is very important.
Point in issue.
Yes. Now, my lords, with these words, I am sorry.
Yes.
Well, first one is short note about who is the respondent number 1.
Yes.
And the caveat in Youth for Equality, Resolution 73. And I am appearing for them also. And the 103rd Amendment, the Constituent Assembly debates preamble of the Constitution. Then, my lords, here I have a respectful submission, my lords. This is also argued as if, and as I read, where so much of things and arguments were there. I think a section of protected category also misunderstood or misguided, saying that Somebody touched 15 for 15 by 16 for 16 by. It's a separate compartment at home. That's why, my lord. Now then, therefore, according to me, Keshavananda Bharati case saying that what is the foundation, components, pillars of the basic structure. My lord, democratic, secular, justice, social, economic, and political equality of status, and on page 2. So therefore, how this bill became an act, whether rules of business of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha followed or not. So my first submission, my lords, it is democratically passed. Out of 313 MPs, only 4 rejected.
Nobody has even seriously questioned the fact that it has been democratically passed. Correct?
Why I'm saying, my lords, because of there is an allegation arguing that fraud played on constitution.
That's all.
What is the fraud played is, I also, my lord, with
What
respect.
he said is seriously argued. Correct? Yes.
Yes. And my lord, page 2, Kerala State Welfare Corporation for Forwarded Community. Same.
Yes, please.
Different states are doing this. They are protecting their people. And my lords, Sindhu Commission, my lords, Indira Sani, my lord, kindly note this. Para 800 of Indira Sani says, for the Rishapullers, for any type of people who are suffering, that can be considered as caste or class, and accordingly we can give the reservation. Now here, my lord, Chief Justice asked a particular question, how you are perpetually poor. And others also argued that you take a lottery, then your vote will go. Even I don't have money for taking a lottery. So, my lord, in the first page, see, I highlighted one sentence. My lord, see the middle of that first paragraph.
Yes.
However, respondent hearing is not against the reservation of anyone. Because of my lord, after last day's argument, somebody asked, Biju, you are only for OBC, against OBC, etc. So we are not saying that. We are saying that once you are asking inclusion in EWS, you have to leave the structures. Which means if they want to sit on my chair both the time, at the same time, that cannot be possible. You come out from the SC compartment, then you be in the EWS. None touched 15 for 15.5, 16 for 16.5. And my lord, next point is, so therefore, my lord, I'm sorry. Sindhu Commission report.
Yes.
Well, as my kindly recollect, 1980 Mandal Commission report, 1990 implemented. That is the basis as per para 800 of Indira Sani. 2010 Sindhu Commission. So 2019 implemented. So paragraph 800 of my kindly note this point. Paragraph 800 says that you have to have a data. So whether adequate representation is there or not, and data required is there or not. So two things established by Sindhu Commission report that this particular group, they are not a vote bank. Brahmin, I'm saying about Brahmin Rishapular. I'm saying about the poor pujari, priests of the temples. Early morning, 3 o'clock, they are going to the temple with a wet dress and coming back with some dashina. They are not vote bank. When Mandal Commission submitted its report due to its implementation, para 5 and 6 of Indira Sani may kindly read what happened in the country. These non-vote banking people are not ready or not even having power to argue, bargain. That is why since decades you bracketed me as a Brahmin, as a forwarded community, then denied my basic rights. Now there is not a welfare legislation, but it's a historic legislation. It's a revolutionary legislation by touching that PAs of that poor people. That is what, my lord, first page I am saying that I am not against your compartment. And at least what you are arguing, what is your fundamental right where it is denied? If someone touched a 15,405 or 16,405, nothing happened. And something filed, my lords, repeatedly, that's not a post office. See the first writ petition, whether it is followed the guidelines of, my lords, how to file a bill. So, 12th.
आपण बघतोय EWS आरक्षणावर एकीकडे सुनावणी सुरू आहे तर दुसरीकडे महाराष्ट्रातल्या सत्ता संघर्षावर थोड्याच वेळामध्ये काही क्षणांमध्ये पुढच्या सुनावणीला सुरुवात होईल. सुनावणीला सुरुवात झालेली आहे. शिवसेनेचे वकील कपिल सिब्बल युक्तिवाद करतायत. आपण बघतोय न्यायमूर्ती चंद्रचूड यांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली या घटनापीठाची स्थापना करण्यात आलेली आहे आणि महाराष्ट्रातल्या सत्ता संघर्षावर याची सुनावणी सुरू झालेली आहे. त्यामुळे शिवसेना कुणाची, शिंदेंची की ठाकरेंची याचा निकाल होऊ शकतो. त्याचबरोबर चिन्ह कुणाला असणार, निवडणूक आयोगाकडे सुनावणी सुरू होईल का की स्थगिती कायम राहील, या सगळ्यावरचा शिंदे सरकार.
Let me just just give us a broad framework. Just broad framework. What the issue is the following. Kindly don't refer to any paper. I just explain to you. But this all started on the 20th of June, when in the course of the MLC elections, a seat that should have come to the Shiv Sena, we lost to the other party. That happened on the 20th of June. So on the 21st of June, the meeting was called of all the legislative members of the party. And many of them did not attend. And
मुद्दे मांडा अशा प्रकारच्या सूचना ज्या आहेत त्या घटनापीठानं दोन्ही बाजूंना दिलेल्या आहेत. शिंदे यांच्या वकिलांना सुद्धा दिलेल्या आहेत आणि शिवसेनेच्या वकिलांना सुद्धा दिलेल्या आहेत. शिवसेनेचे वकील कपिल सिब्बल युक्तिवाद करतात. शिवसेनेकडून कपिल सिब्बल आणि अभिषेक मनु सिंग बाजू मांडतात.
So obviously, they're obviously not in tune or in alignment with the party itself. So we said that if you do not attend the meeting, there will be consequences. Now, this continued. They did several things between 21st of June. And ultimately they said that, we said, okay, since you have not participated in these proceedings, we remove you. I won't go into the dates, I'm just broadly telling your Lordship Smith, and ultimately, they were removed from the post that they occupied in the Legislative Assembly itself. They in turn said that you are no longer a leader of the party. We have our own whip now. They appointed their own whip later. Those all things happened between 21st of June. And then, ultimately, on the 29th of, we filed disqualification applications on the 29th of June, which is a very important day. No, hold on. On the 29th of June, which is a very important date. But on the 29th of June, they came here and they wanted to form a separate government in alignment with the BJP. And so, this court, we challenged all that, and this court passed an order on the 29th of June.